Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 4 Retro Cool Gray. Welcome to the Av. Okay, now looking at the box, you see you have the black box or the black lid, red Jumpman with the flight on the top. Around the bottom you have the cement print. You got a few red accents around the box. So you got the Jumpman and the Air on this side. As you turn, it's blank on the longer side. Jumpman and Air on this side too, with the hole. And here's your tag. We have the Air Jordan 4 Retro Cool Gray. The colorway is cool gray, chrome, dark charcoal, and varsity maize. Come wrapped in the black paper, typical Jordan 4. So here it is, the Air Jordan 4 Retro Cool Gray. Now these first released in 2004. I don't think people really was on it that much in 2004, but I could be wrong. I actually didn't have a pair in 2004, so I wasn't really feeling them. And I think they okay today, but we're gonna look around the shoe, man, and y'all let me know what y'all think about them, man. We ain't gonna do no on foot because I didn't have my size, so bear with me. But I'm gonna give y'all a fire review anyway. Now looking under the bottom, you see you have the black, the white, and the varsity maize. Got the varsity maize Jumpman. Here's a look from the side. You see you got the air bubble, the maize on the inside. Here's a look from the front. The top of the toe box. There's your netting and your laces. Here's your tongue. Jumpman with the yellow flight, or the varsity maize flight, excuse me. Here's your chrome Jumpman on the back. Pretty dope. Now on the back of the tongue, you have the Air Jordan upside down, traditionally. But it's the yellow tag with yellow threading in it. You can hardly see it, but it is what it is. I guess they got their reasons for that, man. Now looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. There's no difference between the two. Again, here's your back. That chrome Jumpman, giving you a closer look at it. Your medial side. See, you got your netting, your everything that's on the shoe, man. So here's the top. See, you got the nice logo on the tongue. You got your white Jumpman. You got the flight and the varsity maize. It's a dope shoe, man. I can't lie. I'm feeling it. Now on the insole, you got the dark charcoal insole. With the white Jumpman. Here's a closer look at it. Nice touch. All in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. So you see you have the sizing and everything on the tag on the inside. Here's a closer look at it. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Let me know if you're feeling them or not. It's an easy pass. It's an easy cop for you. Let me know what the case is, man. I've been slacking on my videos, man, but I'm about to get back on the grind with it. Start giving y'all these visuals, man. And now I am feeling the nubuck on these, man. It's nice. I don't see no cosmetic problems on the shoe, no glue stains or anything. It was a nice pair. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. Now I don't plan on getting me a pair, but who knows what could happen. You feel me? So like I say, let me know what y'all think about these, man. Let me know if you're feeling them or not. Gonna give you a few more looks at the shoe, man. Like I said before, we're not gonna do it on foot. I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, man. Now, I don't know if these are gonna sell out or they're gonna sit. They're gonna make it to the outlets. I'm not sure. I can't answer all that for you. I'm not even about to pretend like I know any of that information, man. But I can tell you all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe. But is it dope enough to be sold out? Only time will tell, man. You heard? Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.